In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to be rich and successful, 5 steps to master. But if we haven't met already, I am Mona Vida. I'm a motivational speaker, business growth strategist, and a life coach. And this channel is dedicated to motivation and inspiration and helping you get to the next level in your life, whether it be financial or personal. So if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscription button. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Let's get into it. How to become rich and successful, 5 steps to master. Now, before we get into that, there's a couple of questions you need to ask yourself. Do you want success? Do you want financial success? Do you want a nicer car? Do you want a better education for your children? Do you want a bigger house? Do you want holidays in 5-star resorts all over the world? What do you want? And once you decide that you truly have the desire to create wealth and riches, 5 steps to master. Step number 1 is the desire. And I'm not talking about the desire that you get, once in a blue moon while you see a nice house on TV and you think, oh, I want that house and I've got the desire. And then you just continue watching TV for the rest of your life. No, I mean the kind of desire that sits here, the stuff that you can't sleep properly because it's here, the stuff that makes you jump out of your bed at 5 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning or whatever it is, the stuff you can't wait to get into, start creating, planning, that desire. And once you've got that desire, you've passed step 1 already. Guess what? Because money and riches and wealth will not come to you if you don't want it. It says that simple. If you don't want to be rich, it's not going to come to you, right? 5 steps to master. So how to become rich and successful. 5 steps to master. Step number 2, you need to change the way you think. So right now, if you're thinking, oh, I want small things and I'm going to be realistic and I'm not sure if I can achieve them, you need to stop right now. You need to change the way you think. Step number 2, you need to paint big, grand pictures in your mind. In that mind's eye, just be unrealistic. Go out there. Blow out. Nothing ever great was achieved by people being cautious and safe and realistic, right? So create those grand, incredible, wonderful pictures of what you want. How to be rich and successful. 5 steps to master. Step number 3. Now I go this into a lot more detail in my video, how to set goals in life and achieve them. 6 important ways. So don't miss out on that video. Check it out. But you need to write your goals down. What do you want? How you want it? And what you're going to do in order to get it, right? Every detail that you created in that mind, write every single detail down. For example, your goals. I want to be rich and successful and happy. It's a nice goal, isn't it? The only problem with that, it's not a specific enough goal to achieve. So when you want to be rich and successful and happy, you need to be a lot more specific than that. So for instance, I want $100,000 or I want $1 million by the 31st of December 2019. Now that's a specific goal. Because A, you've told exactly what you want, the amount, which is $1 million, is not just to be rich. 2, when you plan to get it, by the 31st of December 2019. So that is your step number 3. Write your goals and whatever you want down in detail. How to become rich and successful, 5 steps to master. Step number 4. Always have a positive mental attitude. Positive mental attitude. What do I mean by that? All these millionaires and billionaires have not become millionaires and billionaires by being negative or by focusing on issues. They are in their positions they are because they are problem solvers. They focus on the bright side of things, on the better side of things, on the solution-oriented side of things. So in order to become rich and successful, you need to have a positive mental attitude, right? All the time. And that's the reality. You can't just switch on and off this mental attitude of yours whenever you feel like it, because it won't work. It won't work in any area of your life. So have a positive mental attitude. And that is extremely hard to do. I have to agree. But that needs practice. The more you practice and the more you become self-aware that, hey, a negative thought popped up there, or hey, a negative thought popped up there, stop it before it becomes, an avalanche forcing itself down. Stop it. What you need to remember is that negative attitude or negative mindset equals failure. A positive attitude or a positive mindset equals success. Maybe you should write this down. Write on a piece of paper, in big. Negative attitude / mindset equals failure. Positive attitude / mindset equals success. And remind yourself of this every single day if you need to. In order to have a positive mental attitude, I actually discussed that in a lot more detail in my video, the power of positive thinking and its effects in your life, 6 key strategies. So check that video out. Find that passion. What are you passionate about? What do you love? What did I say in this previous example? What makes you jump out of bed, rushing to do this? What is that? Where is that passion? Find that passion. What do you love to do? Because when things get tough, and it will, and it always does, it's your passion that will drive you through these hard times to the peak of success, right? So what is it that invigorates you, that excites you, that, just thinking about it and you can't get that smile off your face? What is it? We all have something. There has to be something. So if you don't know what it is, you need to figure that out for yourself. You need to find out what that is. Just remember, without passion, empires are difficult to build. Success is hard to attain. And to run a successful business continuously becomes very difficult. And when I say business, I mean in every area of your life. You're running a business to some degree, whether it's on a personal level, on a professional level, or whatever level you want to count it on. How to be rich and successful. 5 key steps to master. The final step, take action. Hello? We all seem to forget the final but the most crucial step, take action. You could do all the other steps perfectly, straight A student-wise. But if you don't take action, guess what? Nothing is happening. Nothing is going to happen. Right. So the most crucial thing is to take action. You can have the most brilliant goals written down. You could have the perfect plan for it. You could be the smartest person in terms of devising this whole strategy for it. But without action, nothing will happen. And the thing is, right, with action, if you consistently follow all these steps that I've just mentioned, and you do that through thick and thin, to hard times, to difficult times, to impossible times, to times where you think this is just not happening, stick through it. Just stick through it. And you keep your head down and you keep doing what you need to do. And I promise you, all of a sudden, from nowhere or somewhere, an opportunity will arise. She'll start knocking on your door. Hello, opportunity here. Are you going to let me in? And when she does, boom, be quick. Open that door, don't hesitate, and run with it. Because this is what you have been building up for. Now, summary, how to become rich and successful. 5 key steps to master. Step number 1, desire. That burning desire. Find the desire, because you have to want it for it to happen, right? So step number 1, desire. Step number 2, create bold, grand, wonderful pictures. So what do you want? Step number 2, you have to know what you want and create those incredible pictures in your mind's eye. Step number 3, write these things down. So the grand, beautiful pictures you create in your head, write them down in perfect details. Write those goals down in detail, specific, the way you want it and how you plan to get it and when you plan to get it. Find that passion. Without passion, empires will crumble and businesses will fail. Find that passion that will drive you to the next level of your life. Take action. Without action, nothing happens. Not all of a sudden the skies will open up and all these riches will be bestowed on you. Forget it. It ain't happening. Take action. Thank you for watching. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, I hope you can hit the like button. It will be truly appreciated. If you think there's someone that could benefit from this, I hope you do share it. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button below. And don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. What sort of videos you like to hear about in terms of motivation, inspiration? Is there anything you want me to do specifically? Throw it in the comment section below. Remember, you can live an incredible life. Why? Because you deserve it. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. This is Motivational.